Hello, this is my trade recap for the 21st of January, and today there was no significant news, so we ended up making around $700, which was a really good day. This was the trade, so we had the previous day high right here, previous day low just here. I've only moved it across just to make it in line with the other one. And yeah, the bias was bullish. If you look on the 1 hour, we have this low here, and we have a higher low, and then we created a higher low today, and then we had a high high and a high high. So the initial bias was bullish, looking for those bullish trades, those long trades. We had this huge order block here that was tapped in twice. We came in for a third time and it looked like this was the move. We also had this fair value gap. Yeah, it was on the 4 hour. We had this 4 hour fair value gap that we tapped into as well. So the confirmation was good. It was a good setup. I took the long a bit prematurely, as I was in this range for about 2 hours. It was a quite boring trade, but it did pay off in the end. I entered right on this fair value gap here. I had 4 entries, so they were all layered. The first 2 were here. There was one more here, I believe, and I entered one more here. So those were the 4 entries, and my position size was 2.5 lots. I risked 2% of the account, which isn't too bad. That is following my trading plan. TP1 is just here. I took out 2 positions here. I ended up making around $150 here. TP2 is just here. I ended up making another 150, I believe. And then TP3 was here. Not very far, but that was more because I needed to go and the time constraint. I did initially think TP3 was going to be here. However, I did not let the trade play out. So one of the improvements could have definitely been to be more patient with the trade and let it play out as it should have. But yeah, TP3 is here. And we ended up making net $700. Going into tomorrow, I do think we are still long. I do think we're going to pull back a little bit and then keep going higher. But yeah, that was the trade overall. I entered based off the order block and the fair value gap, as well as the short-term fair value gap and the break of structure. Yeah, that's all I can say. Improvements would definitely be do not enter prematurely and stick to the original plan, because TP3 could have been a lot higher and our profits could have been way over $1,000 if we stuck to the plan today. But nevertheless, it was a really good trade. I'm really happy with it. And yeah, for tomorrow should be a trading day. We don't have any news. We have this news that is not really significant, so that should be a trading day for us. We'll see what happens tomorrow. I'm going to try catch along again. Realistically, right now, there's a fair value gap here that could fill. However, I do think we go a bit lower. Maybe, I think these lows would be a bit too ambitious, but if we look on the hourly, I'd want to see, we've already swept these highs. I do want to take these highs out and target areas such as these ones just here. And yeah, that would be nice. Maybe catching along based off, we're already tapping into the fair value gap. However, there is a huge one here. I don't think we come that low, so maybe this will be the fair value gap. But yeah, if I do take anything tomorrow, I will update you guys and I will make a trade recap video. But yeah, thank you for watching.